Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia. And for those of you who are regulars, thank you for coming by today. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this full wavy slash curly look. I know it's one of your faves, so I tried to get that done for you guys. As my hair gets longer, the styles, I'm loving them even more. I can play with and manipulate my hair a little more than when it was short. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you take something away from it. It should be a quick, like a quick routine, depending on the length of your hair, the thickness of your hair. I know when I'm getting ready in front of a mirror, for say in the bathroom, I can do this very quickly, especially if I'm on a time constraint. But today I'm doing it literally right in front of the camera. So I have no mirror. So it's a little bit of a challenge, taking a little bit longer, so bear with me. It's not going to be a long video, but it'll be it'll be well worth watching. So if you like this hair and you want to know how I achieve this look, then stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so I'm taking this Hot Shot Tools. I got this at Sally's, and it should be a 3/4 inch curling iron. No rhyme or reason, I literally just curl or wave it. I might take bigger sections. So about 1-inch sections of hair. And around my face, actually on this side of my face, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna curl out I'm curling out to the left. Another 1-inch section, curling outward. I'm getting the ends in there. I just repeat this until all of the hair on this side of my head are going backward to the left, and then all the hairs on the right side of my head are going backward to the right. You can mix and match them depending on the style and the end result that you want, but for me today, especially since my hair is in the middle part, this is the look I'm going for. Again, just making sure you're getting those ends in there. And you see there's nothing special to how I'm doing it. I'm not using any clips. I'm not using a comb. For me, this gets me the look that I desire, the end result I desire. So I just go with it. Okay, and now for this side, and we're just gonna do the exact same thing on this side, but curling outward to the right. I'm also not doing this in the mirror, I'm just doing this through the camera, so it does make it a little more challenging to do, but I'm making it. If I were in a mirror right now, I would have been done. That's all good. Okay, so the last section, I just put this in a 2. So this is my hair after I curled all of them back backwards to the left on the left side, backwards to the right on the right side. Now I'm going to take my WAAAVVVYYY Haircare wave spray. I'm trying not to get my face, but I think I am. Now I'm going to take my WAAAVVVYY rose oil. I'm going to pump a few pumps in my hands. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to rub them together so that I can manipulate better through my hair. Trying to get them ends. So then all that fullness, the realness of the look. So as the day goes on, it will get a little less tight, which I'm absolutely okay with. But sometimes I'll just take it and take the wave spray and literally just spray it as I pull it into the position that I want it to be in. Although this is not hairspray, it just helps me to manipulate it the way that I want it to be. This is where we're starting out at, and I am loving this. And last but not least, I am going to spray my KMS spray. It's the anti-humidity spray. And this is to keep away the humidity for the day, to keep it nice and smooth versus growing and getting frizzy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop a line in the comment box below. If you haven't already, please, please, please subscribe, tell a friend and like this video. So if you want to see more, let me know what you want to see more of, and I will see you guys next time.